Let's learn this drawing. First step, we have to prepare a background here. I am using here yellow, scarlet red and white, a bit of green color. I am mixing here like those three colors here. First you can see here white and orange color I am mixing here. Next I will show you how to draw the Gandhiji. In other sheet I am taking this drawing, we are doing drawing and we are cutting the paper here. After cutting the drawing, on another sheet I am applying it like a blank and keeping it in a dry. After drying that I am pasting to that background what we have done there. If any things you want extra, you can use the black color sketch pen and make a little bit shape like this here. Because still it is little bit wet, so I am using here the sheet. In previous drawing you can see that how to draw the India map, like that you can draw it here. I feel to add here little bit colors, little bit background. According to your imagination you can add any things. After that just remove the plaster and put your sign. Like this you can do the drawing and painting. Thank you for watching.